What's up, buddy? You stuck? Yeah, I need help getting out? Need help getting out? Watch it tear my hand off. Watch this thing tear my. Don't bite me, dude. Take it easy. Be nice. Wow, it's nice. Oh my gosh, guys, it's nice. Look at this. This is crazy, guys. This bird just flew randomly behind here. It's literally a fucking wild bird. Just chilling. Letting me just pet it. This is absolutely crazy, guys. It might be sick. It makes me think it's sick. Why is it doing this? How cool is this, though, guys? Look at this. This wild bird just randomly stopped here. Is this not the coolest thing in the world? It's letting me pet it. It likes it. She likes it. This is so crazy. I hope everything's alright with this thing. I almost want to take it out like it's stuck. It's literally letting me pet its head. This is crazy, guys. I've never seen anything like this in my life. I think it's stuck. Let's get it out of here. Is everything okay? Oh my god. Oh no. Oh no. It's hurt. Ay, ay, ay. It just flew into the window. Oh no. Oh no. Are you okay? Oh my gosh. Just flew into the window. Is everything okay? Oh no. A bird just flew in. Is my food ready? Will you ask him? Oh man. I can't put this bird in here. This is crazy, guys. This bird is just chilling in my hand. Have you guys ever seen anything like this? This bird is just chilling in my hand. It's letting me pet it. It's either sick or it's hurt.
Hey, how you doing?
Good. This bird's just chilling.
The sound was broken.
It's just chilling in my hand.
Really?
Is he sick?
That's what I'm thinking. It won't fly away. I'm gonna go bring him into my work and see. But my tacos are in there. Will you guys grab
go
them?
get 'em?
Yeah, please. There to
What's
go.
the name?
Amit. I didn't give him my name, but they just
Did you
know.
pay
Just
for it
tell-
already?
yeah, I paid
Okay,
for it.
Amit.
Amit. I didn't give him my name though. It's an Indian guy. This is crazy, right?
Wow.
Have you ever seen anything like this?
Wow.
This
So
is-
he just
it's
flew
just chilling. Yeah, it just flew right to me. It was just chilling, and now it won't fly away.
That's wow.
Is this not wild, guys? I know.
Just make sure you disinfect your hands.
You think so? Bird flu and shit? Oh man. Stop. Don't even play around, man. Don't even joke around with this shit. That's the last thing I need. This thing is freaking it's so crazy. I hope it's not sick.
Maybe he was a pet.
No way. It's a little sparrow. My food's not ready? This is the craziest.
That's crazy.
Is this not crazy?
It looks like you got you a new pet, but birds are.
I'm bringing. It's gonna be a pet. I already have a bird.
Maybe he can't fly,
I know.
but he flew to you though. Right?
Yeah, he flew right to me, and he won't. My food ain't ready.
They're hard to take care of.
I know. I've had them before. I raised a bird on my own. I used to have a parrot. This is crazy though. Oh, she can't get.
Two parakeets and shit, they both died. I can't go.
I know, but this is crazy. A wild bird. It's not ready.
He haven't even came back to the front.
It's okay. You can take off. You don't gotta hang out.
They
But what
haven't
if?
came back up there.
That's
It
so
takes a long
crazy.
time. Yeah, he still got
I'm
that
gonna go
man
talk
with-
to him. I'm gonna go talk to him. I'll bring this bird inside.